If you're experiencing payment issues with Sunrun, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Identify the issue. Determine the specific payment issue you are facing, such as a missed payment, incorrect billing amount, or payment processing error. Having a clear understanding of the problem will help you communicate effectively. Step 2. Gather your information. Collect all relevant information, including your account number, payment history, and any correspondence related to the payment issue. This will be useful when contacting customer support. Step 3. Contact customer support. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use ISRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a timely response or resolution, follow up with customer support. Keep a record of your communications, including dates and names of representatives you spoke with. Step 5. Review your account. Once the issue is resolved, review your account to ensure that all payments are correctly reflected and that there are no further discrepancies. This will help prevent future issues. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve payment issues with Sunrun. If problems persist, consider escalating the matter or seeking further assistance.